Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Battlefield Narratives. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful rivalries in modern skies: Russia versus Israel. Two nations, two strategies, and one question: who truly rules the air in 2025? Let's uncover the balance of power. Russia's Air Force is built on size and strength. Massive fleets of Su-30s, Su-35s, MiG-31s, and the new Su-57 stealth fighters dominate its skies. These aircraft are made for power, range, and fear. Russia believes in control through numbers and firepower, overwhelming the enemy before they can even strike. Israel's approach is completely different. The Israeli Air Force relies on precision, intelligence, and technology. Every mission is guided by real-time data and satellite support. The F-35I Adir stealth jet is the heart of Israel's power, customized for deep strike missions and electronic warfare. Israel fights smarter, not bigger. The Su-57 was built to rival the F-35, but it's still a work in progress. Russia has only a limited number in full service. Its stealth and sensors are improving, but still not on the same level as Western fighters. What makes Russia dangerous, however, is its missile range. The R-37M long-range air-to-air missile can destroy targets more than 300 kilometers away. That reach changes everything in the sky. Israel's F-35I Adir, on the other hand, is a master of stealth and data. It can see the enemy long before being detected. Its radar, sensors, and new systems are integrated with Israel's entire defense network. That means every Israeli fighter flies with the power of satellites, drones, and cyber intelligence behind it. It's not just a plane, it's a flying command center. When it comes to defense, Russia has built a wall in the sky. The S-400 and S-500 missile systems form one of the most advanced air defense networks ever made. They can track and destroy stealth jets, cruise missiles, and even hypersonic weapons. No one dares approach Russian airspace without serious risk. Israel's defense, though smaller, is legendary. The Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow systems work together as a digital shield. They can intercept almost anything: rockets, drones, or ballistic missiles. Real-time analysis helps the system choose the right interceptor in milliseconds. In 2025, Israel's defensive network has become faster, smarter, and deadlier. Pilot training tells another story. Russian pilots are tough and skilled in traditional combat. They train for endurance, dogfights, and long missions. But in modern warfare, data and speed often matter more than raw skill. That's where Israel shines. Israeli pilots train with live simulations, networked missions, and real combat almost every month. They're not just pilots, they're mission planners and data analysts in the cockpit. Russia's combat experience comes from major conflicts like Syria and Ukraine. These battles have tested its aircraft and tactics in real situations. Russia has learned valuable lessons, but also faced heavy losses due to precision-guided attacks from smaller forces. Many of its strikes still depend on older munitions, reducing efficiency. Israel's combat record is constant and sharp. Its Air Force carries out real operations several times a year, often without public acknowledgement. Every mission refines tactics and technology, from striking Iranian convoys in Syria to intercepting missiles in seconds. Israel's Air Force works like a living machine that's always alert. In numbers, Russia easily wins. It has over 1,000 active combat aircraft. Israel has fewer than 400. But numbers alone don't define power anymore. Israel's jets are upgraded to the latest systems, perfectly maintained, and always mission-ready. Every aircraft is connected to a national defense network that sees everything, everywhere. The drone war adds a new dimension. Russia is developing advanced hubs like the Okhotnik and Orion, powerful but limited in numbers. Many of its drones are still experimental. Israel, however, leads the world in drone technology. Its Heron, Hermes, and Etnavs are tested, exported, and battle-proven. They can fly for days, track targets deep inside enemy territory, and coordinate directly with fighters in the sky. Electronic warfare may decide who wins future air battles. Russia's Kivny and Krasukha systems can jam radars, GPS, and communication networks. They create chaos for enemy pilots. But Israel's electronic warfare goes a step further. Its F-35I jets carry built-in Israeli systems that can spoof radar, confuse missile tracking, and even hack into enemy signals mid-air. This invisible battle of frequencies often decides who survives. Then comes alliances. Russia operates largely on its own, though it shares technology with China and Iran. Israel, meanwhile, has the full support of the United States. From shared intelligence to advanced upgrades, that alliance keeps the Israeli Air Force far ahead in tech innovation. American satellites and early warning systems give Israel global reach and unmatched awareness. If we compare strategy, Russia's strength lies in domination through force. Massive fleets, long-range missiles, and ground-based defenses give it control over huge areas. Israel's power lies in speed, coordination, and precision. It doesn't need to dominate the world, it only needs to strike faster and more accurately than anyone else. Imagine a real conflict scenario. Russia could launch waves of fighters backed by long-range radar and missile systems, but Israel's stealth jets could slip through undetected, strike command centers, and vanish before retaliation. It would be a contest between raw strength and smart warfare. In such a fight, whoever controls data and timing will win. Russia's air power is built for endurance. Israel's is built for efficiency. One uses numbers, the other uses intelligence. Both are effective in their own worlds. But modern warfare rewards the fast and the smart, not just the powerful. As 2025 unfolds, the skies tell a new story. Technology is rewriting the rules of air dominance. Drones fly alongside stealth jets. AI supports human pilots, and electronic warfare decides the outcome before the first missile is even launched. In this new era, information is the real weapon. So, who holds the real air power edge? If the battle is about territory and reach, Russia leads. But if it's about precision, awareness, and real-time coordination, Israel's advantage is undeniable. The future of air warfare belongs to those who adapt fastest, and in that race, Israel continues to set the pace. In the end, Russia commands the skies through numbers. Israel commands them through intelligence. Both are giants in their own way, one by size, the other by strategy. But the true balance of power lies not in who has more jets, but in who can use them smarter, faster, and with greater purpose. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the balance of air power between Russia and Israel. If you enjoy learning about global defense and strategy, make sure to follow Battlefield Narratives for more stories like this. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful insights into the world's most advanced military technologies.